Wait, I can do custom animations on Canva? Let me show you how. Canva just keeps getting better and better. So I've created this little display here using a square, and we're just going to hit and select this image here, and I'm going to hit animate. And as I do that, it says create an animation. So I'm going to grab that, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to select it. So I've selected it, and I'm just going to drag it around like this, and then bring it right back to here. And I have created a little animation. I can change it to make it look a little bit smoother or steadier, and it will help it create it. I can also speed that up if I want to too, so I can make it super fast. So cool. Tell me in the comments if you're going to give this a go, and subscribe if you want to see more Canva tips.